What's up guys, I'm back here with another episode of Best Android Apps, and if you have not been through my previous episodes, the link to it is in the description. So you might get a lot of handy applications for your Android devices from my previous episodes, so make sure you check that. Without any further delay, let's begin. The first one here is the 360 Mobile Security. So this is a mobile security app. It protects your Android device from virus attacks and malware attacks. It scans all the applications installed on your phone, and whenever you download any application from the Play Store, this app will automatically scan that app and notify you whether that application is safe or not. You also have some additional functionality with this application like system cleanup, so that you can clear your memory and remove the temporary files so that you can boost the RAM and increase the performance of your device. You also have this privacy advisor. You have this call blocker as well. So you can block any unwanted number you want. You also can do some additional setup for this application like second cleanup, auto update, auto start, language, floating window, notifications, and so on. So floating window is this. So this is the floating window. Here you see the 72%. So this means the memory used is 72%. So what you can do is you can tap onto it. Okay, and you can access all the toggles, as well as you can see all the running applications on the background. You can either hit this button to clear the memory. Now you can see it's 44%, or you can just tap and hold and drag it and drop it here. So a very cool way of cleaning up the system, and a very cool way of optimizing your RAM. So this app works really great whenever I play some games and I forget to close them. It will notify me that the memory used is really high, so that I can clean it up and make my device lag free. So a very handy application for any Android user. The next one here is the Music Maker Jam. So with this application you can create your own music, and you can choose from a lot of different styles like hip hop, dance, electric jazz, and so on. You also can buy some additional styles. So let's quickly create a music. So at the bottom we have all the instruments, and the highlighted ones are the active. So you can do the setup, you can listen to the music. Okay. So once you are done with the setup, you can hit this record button. Once done, now you can rename this MP3 file. Let's keep it as hip hop. Hit done. Okay. Now let's check it. Go on to my files, all files, device storage, and here under music you have hip hop. So there you see guys, you can create your own music, and you can use this music for your videos, or if you are interested in music making, you can do this. So a great app for music maker and music lovers. The next one is the Magisto. This is an amazing video editing application. Especially it provides amazing effects, cool graphics, and music to your video, so you can make your video much more fun and cinematic. So here's an original video without any effect. So, 1 second guys. So here's the original video without any effects. So let's quickly add in some effects here. So opening the Magisto app, use gallery. You can select this video and hit next. You can select from any theme, whether you want the summer theme, the indie theme, fashion. So let's add indie. Now you can choose any music for your video. So let's say blur. Okay, and you can give in a title. Okay, and hit make my movie. So it's processing, so I will be back with you once it's done. So guys, the video is ready with all new effects and cool graphics. So I will not be playing the audio due to some copyright issues. So let's have a look at this video. So there you see guys, you have some cool effects with some graphics. So you can do this onto your videos as well. So that's my number 3. The next one is the Zooper Widget. So this is a very fancy widget application, and as soon as you download it, you can add the widget onto your home screen from the widgets tab. So here you have this Zooper Widget options for various grid sizes. So first you need to select the grid size, say for example 3x2. You can select your preferred grid size, and once you're done you can place this widget, and now you can tap onto it to customize it. So here you have a lot of different styles in which you have the time, date, your location, the weather condition, the battery percentage. You also have this cool analog kind of style. So first you can select any style that you really like, say for example this, and once you select it you can do the customization for this widget. For layout, widget background, I like the transparent one. You also can choose some solid colors. Widget on tap action, location, global preferences. So once you are done with this, you can hit the save button, hit OK, and hit the main menu. So there you see guys, very fancy. Let's try something different. Once done, tap to customize. Say I want this. With some red background, and yeah, once you're done with the customization, hit save, okay, and there you see, very fancy, a very simple widget application, but still very stylish. The next one here is the Sports Republic. So if you are a sports person, or if you are into sports and you want to fill yourself with all the sports news, this is the app for you. So you can track almost all the sports and all the events going on. So this is the home page, and here you have all the top stories, so you can go through it, and you also have all the other topics that you have selected. So if you want to add some additional sports, you can just tap on to this plus button, and here you can select various topics like all news, top stories, and any event you want to track, or other sports as well like hot topics, international, and other sports apart from football, cricket. If you want to track rugby, tennis, Formula 1, golf, you can just select it. And you also can select from a lot of different sports like motorsports, football teams. You also can get news from the football teams, top sports stars, US sports. So once you're done with this, you can go back, and now on your home screen you have golf added, so you can track down all the news. So here you have all the headlines, and you can simply tap onto that headline to go into the detail. So you also can customize this application and do the setup according to your preferences. You also have widget for this app, and you can customize it as well. The next one is the Memeful. So this app helps you to create your own memes. This is a very funny application. You have a lot of different category like Confession Bear, Success Kid, Angry Walter, and various other options. Okay, so you can add a text on this picture. You have a lot of different pictures to select from. There you see, so you can add text here. Alright, and you can share this picture onto the social medias. Nowadays you also can do a picture comment on Facebook, so you can do picture comments on your friend's post. So this is very handy and a very fun application. The next one here is the system app remover. So with the help of this application, you can remove any system applications or system bloatwares, but you need to have root permissions to use this application. So you need to be rooted if you want to use this app. So guys, by default you get a lot of application that consumes a lot of memory and you cannot uninstall it. So with the help of this application you can do so. So let me just quickly uninstall let's uninstall this talkback, select it and hit uninstall, hit yes, and there you see. So this is uninstalled. So similarly you can do that for any other applications that you don't need. So a very handy application again. The next one here is the Galaxy S4 Lockscreen. So this app provides you with the Galaxy S4 Light Effect lock screen. So what you can do is you can enable the Galaxy S4 lock screen. You can choose the lock screen effect. You can choose the light theme, whether you want the lens flare, the blue rings, red blood, and or lightning. You also can personalize this lock screen, like you can edit the text. You can add your name here. You also can choose the font style, font size, clock font. Once done with the personalization, you can go back, you can choose the sounds, you can enable shortcuts, notifications, status bar. You can enable transparent status bar. So let's quickly check the lock screen. So there you see guys, you can add your name here from the personalization menu. So here you have this lens flare. So this is an amazing app if you want to have the Galaxy S4 lock screen on your Android device. The next one is Greenify. So this app again requires root permission and you need to be rooted. So guys, basically this app helps in managing all the background running apps so that you have a lag-free device. This app will hibernate the applications running on the background, but this will cause no harm to your device, or you will not have any slowdown issues with that app. It will run smoothly, but the thing is, all the background running apps will consume lesser memory if you hibernate it. For example, if you hibernate Messenger, Facebook, web browser, music player, that will be very handy. Say for example, if you want to hibernate the Messenger, tap onto it and hit this check mark. Now it's hibernating. Again, you can add some additional applications like Facebook. What else? Dribbler. And you can do this to make your device faster and to get a better battery life out of your battery. The last one for this video is the Pocket. So with the help of this application, you can read articles offline. You can save any of your article from your browser or from any of your news app and save it to this Pocket application, so that whenever you are out of the Wi-Fi connection or the data connection, you can read it offline. So let me just quickly show it to you how it's done. Say for example, you have this Dribbler, okay, or any news app or any article in the browser. What you can do is you have this article, okay, and you found it very interesting. Hit the share button and go to see all and select Pocket, and this is saved to Pocket. So even you can do that to web articles as well. Let me just quickly show it to you. Hit the menu button and hit share via. Now you can select Pocket. So this article has been saved to Pocket. Now you don't have the Wi-Fi connection. Let's open Pocket. So here you have the Nexus 7 2013 review and the Facebook news. Okay, so very handy for offline reading. So that's all for this video guys. I will be coming up with more videos with better quality. If you have any suggestion for me, leave it in the comment section below. So thanks a lot for watching and you guys have a great day. Bye bye now.